I am eating. I am drinking. I am running. I am walking. I am sitting. I am standing. I am reading. I am sleeping. I am writing. I am studying. I am working. I am watching. I am listening. I am thinking. I am talking. I am playing. I am cooking. I am cleaning. I am teaching. I am learning. I am shopping. I am dancing. I am driving. I am waiting. I am laughing. I am crying. I am exercising. I am relaxing. I am fixing. I am helping. I am praying. I am bathing. I am shaving. I am dressing up. I am packing. I am drawing. I'm combing my hair. I am listening to music. I am watering plants. I am opening the door. I am closing the window. I am switching off the light. I am switching on the fan. I am ironing clothes. I am folding clothes. I am cutting vegetables. I am preparing food. I am serving food. I am washing dishes. I am pouring water. I am answering the phone. I am sending an email. I am calling someone. I am taking photos. I am making a call. I am drinking tea. I am feeding my pet. I am taking a break. I am washing clothes. I am drying clothes. I am climbing stairs. I am sewing clothes. I am knitting. I am polishing shoes. I am wearing shoes. I am tying my shoelaces. I am putting on a jacket. I am arranging furniture. I am gluing paper. I am taking out the trash. I am hammering a nail. I am boiling water. I am lifting weights. I am peeling an apple. I am scratching my head. I am washing the car. I am pumping air into tires. I am honking the horn. I am fastening my seatbelt. I am hanging clothes. I am digging in the garden. I am planting flowers. I am raking leaves. I am pulling weeds. I am washing the windows. I am dusting the shelves. I am receiving help. I am solving a problem. I am making a decision. I am walking the dog. I am knocking on the door. I am ringing the doorbell. I am sweeping the porch. I am inflating the balloon. I am decorating the room. I am borrowing a book. I am asking for help. I am admiring the view. I am arranging the books. I am brushing my teeth. I am catching the bus. I am enjoying the party. I am hiding behind the door. I am hugging my mother. I am kicking the ball. I am practicing yoga. I am riding a bicycle. I am sharpening the pencil. I am shopping for clothes. I am singing a song. I am shouting for help.